Now I want to talk about screen recording. Every school has, well, you have two different ways you can screen record. I think all the schools have purchased licenses for a program called Screencast-O-Matic that is the best that I've ever used. I love it. I've had a subscription for years. Each school has purchased a license for Screencast-O-Matic. It's a wonderful screen recording tool. It is time saving. It's easy to use. It has multiple editing features that I'll show you. But before you can access your Screencast-O-Matic account and use your license, you have to sign up for a free account. So if you just click on sign up, it's free. Click on that and create your account with your school email. Okay. All right. Once you have done that, then you are going to go to screencast-o-matic.com/ your school name. I'm going to use Blountstown Elementary School because that account's been activated. Carr School and Alpha School has not yet been activated. I'll let you know when I get that set up. Okay. But Carr School would just be, screencast-o-matic.com/Carr School or screencast-o-matic.com/Alpha School. And I'll provide more information with that whenever your accounts are activated. So once you sign up, you're going to go to that URL, and that is your team page. Okay. You can open the recorder right from the web. But what I would do is install it. So you're going to download and install. Okay, so the first time you do this, it gives you some instructions. It says after downloading, this is important, read these instructions. After downloading, it wants you to run the installer and then click that you have the team plan. That is important. If you don't do that, then it will prompt you to put in payment information and purchase your own license. So you want to put that you have the team plan. And then it wants you to enter the URL for your school. You don't have to put the screencast-o-matic.com part, but that last part that identifies your school, like Blountstown Elementary, Alpha School, Carr School, Blountstown High, that's what would go in that. So pay attention after you have completed the download. Okay. When the download starts, it'll be in the bottom left corner, like anything else you would download. Okay. And then once that finishes, you would open that up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Turn the volume down a smidge. Okay. Welcome to the setup wizard. I'm going to click next. And then it says install just for me or install for anyone using this computer. I'm going to install for anyone using this computer. We all need to share. Okay. Then I'm going to click finish. Okay, this is where the window pops up. It says I have a solo plan, I have a team plan, or launch free recorder. Now the free recorder, it sounds wonderful, but you can only record like just a few minutes. So the paid one is well worth the money. So I'm going to put I have a team plan, and I'm going to put the access URL. I think I am anyway. Okay. For URL. The only thing you have to put in that blank is that last identifying part that that identifies your school. In this case, I would put Blountstown Elementary, no spaces. If you have any trouble with that, I'd be glad to help you. It's very simple. So once you click on that, it will then ask you to log into your account. So you'll log into the free account that you made earlier, and it will link your team account to your free account, and you'll have all the upgraded options. So let's talk about some of those upgraded options. If you'll notice here on this on your team page, it has a link to some tutorials.
They have tutorials on how to do just about everything with Screencast-O-Matic. I use it to make these tutorial videos. I use Screencast-O-Matic. I love it. One of the things that I want you to be aware of is, or I would recommend watching the Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic video and taking advantage of the deluxe features. It goes through the editing features and how to edit. I'm not going to make a tutorial on that because it's here and readily available for you. Okay. The easy tips and tricks is another one that's very good. Something else I would highly recommend is pinning Screencast-O-Matic to your taskbar here once you have downloaded that software, because you're probably going to be using it quite a bit.